Today is Toxic, and today we're going to teach you how to make a soda vending machine. So first, you're going to get the chisel and place it like that. Two blocks, and we are going to be getting some dispenser. You dig and face the dispenser upwards. Perfect. So you would also be getting this quartz slab, and you should also place one there. So the next step is bookshelf and one redstone lamp. Place glass panes on the top two only. So the next is go down, get any kind of button, but I would prefer the stone button, I guess, and get quartz, redstone. So if I were you, dig that up first, because we would be redstone repeater facing there. Perfect. So now another, never mind, destroy that, get redstone, and like that. So that does our video. And wait, we forgot about the other bookshelf, so I just have to place now a kind of soda. So the good, okay, never mind with the bottle of enchanting, does not work really well with it. So how about potion of healing? That might do it. Just get all of this back. Okay, perfect. Now let's do it again. So yeah, that's your vending machine. So the good thing is about the redstone lamp, it turns on every time you try to get something. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Toxic here, and bye.